Assalamu alaikum. Good day to everybody. I'm delighted to present to you topic of data, information and artificial intelligence for smart hospitals and how these technologies will assist us in building efficient smart hospitals. So in this rapid advanced digital age, the integration of technology in healthcare has become more critical and important than ever. So a lot of developing countries, they face unique challenges in providing quality healthcare to their population. But smart hospitals could actually promise us with um, overcoming these challenges. So in next 10 to 15 minutes, I will explore the concept of smart hospitals. Okay, so today for next 10 to 15 minutes, I will be covering the introduction of smart hospitals, okay, that concept, then how data and information is critical in the successful implementation of artificial intelligence in our smart hospitals. And then I'll be touching a bit on benefits of smart hospitals, challenges and strategies to implement successfully smart hospitals. And then at the end, maybe if time permits, we can take some questions and answers. Okay, a smart hospital refers to a healthcare facilities that integrates advanced technologies. Data analytics is part of smart hospitals and automation to enhance patient care, optimize operational efficiency and improve overall health outcomes for public. Okay, so if you're talking about implementation of smart hospitals, so the first key ingredient we should have how we are going to connect all our devices, data, capturing points, and we need Internet of Things. That's the concept, or Internet of Medical Things, IOMT. So all our medical devices should be able to talk to each other. So that's a very key important feature of a smart hospitals. And then we can't run away from artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to assist us in diagnostic and decision support systems. And electronic health record is another very important element of a smart hospital, and another key features which we need to address or challenge is interoperability issues. So if we could resolve that, then we can get a real benefit of smart hospitals. Telemedicine and remote monitoring, that's another key important features which we could actually incorporate in our smart hospitals. And we no need to forget about the advancement of fourth industrial revolution, where we have robotics and automations. So that's another key important features of any smart hospital. Okay, let me share with you some of the benefits of smart hospitals. First of all, we could enhance patient care by implementing the smart hospital features as I discussed in the previous slide. So we could implement successfully remote monitoring and telemedicine for improved access to healthcare services, real-time data analysis for early detection of diseases and personalized treatment plans is a byproduct of any smart hospital. AI-powered diagnostic and decision support systems to enhance accuracy and efficiency. We can automate a lot of administrative tasks, reducing human errors and saving time. Streamline workflow through digital records and communication systems. Reduce optimization and predictive maintenance to reduce cost and improve efficiency. Improve healthcare outcomes we can achieve very easily once we implement smart hospital due to timely access of medical information, reducing treatment delays and errors. Integrated care coordination for better continuity of care, and we could even provide healthcare consultancy services in the community via tele health or teleconsultation due to the infrastructure or IoT. Data-driven insight research and for public health planning. So once we successfully implemented smart hospitals concept in the country, and these hospitals can actually integrate and we could plan better. So let me share with you basic ingredients for artificial intelligence. We should have a big data and an algorithm, and we need to have high computing power to process this big data, and machine learning algorithms should be there. And once we implement all these ingredients, we could extract patterns, and these patterns will assist us in doing some sort of predictive analysis or predictive analytics. Okay, in this slide, I'm just going to show the link between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Actually, artificial intelligence or deep learning and machine learning are subset of artificial intelligence, and they are more specialized when it comes to training on specialized data sets. So this is the difference between deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Okay, there are several applications of artificial intelligence which lot of countries they are implementing in healthcare. First of all is the facial recognition, like you can recognize your patients or your population. And second is disease detection. We could actually easily apply artificial intelligence in early disease detection. In many cases, I will share in next slides some of the samples or examples. Natural language processing could actually assist us in telehealth or consultation. Personalized tutors, if you are going to educate your population, you can use a personalized tutor, AI-enabled personalized tutor. And AI-enabled search engines will assist us and navigation would be very easy. So this is what I was telling you, like artificial intelligence in public health, epidemiology for tracking diseases by using data driven from social media or from different smart hospitals systems. A cloud AI-based chat help doctors, patient select the optimal surgical approach. Let's say for total hip arthroplasty, you could actually key in your queries, and all this AI-enabled cloud-based chat application could assist us and could assist surgeons in finding appropriate solutions. Okay, in this slide, I'm actually just comparing with two possible solutions. The bottom one is AI enabled, and this is a research published in JAMA, Artificial Intelligence and Surgical Decision Making, how artificial intelligence could assist us in making accurate and quick surgical decision making. So normally in surgical decision making challenges, we have time constraint and sometimes uncertainty. We we have standard hypothetical deductive reasoning, cognitive shortcuts, or unmasked implicit bias when we talk about decision making. So when it comes to AI augmented decision making, you could feed in the patient data and all complete medical records of patient, and a neural network in the middle you could see at the bottom would immediately find most appropriate decision or most appropriate diagnostic or treatment, and it could actually help surgeons in making more reliable, effective decision by using AI-enabled decision support system. Okay, another example of AI-enabled, you know, application which we could use in smart hospitals are radiology. So, a radiologist, senior radiologist, could train AI algorithm, and in future, any new radiology images can be fed into AI-enabled algorithm, and they could detect early symptoms which even naked eye could not detect. Okay, in this slide, I'm just sharing with you some of the CT scan images, and you could see there are some markers. So senior um, radiologists could actually label these images for training purpose, and we could fed into artificial intelligence algorithm. And if we have huge number of labels images. So we could train our artificial intelligence algorithm by doing machine learning, and in future, any new images without labels, the algorithm could immediately identify the areas of concern or abnormalities, which could assist actually radiologists to actually counter check and increase the correctness of our decision making using AI enabled algorithm. So similarly, we could use histopathological data and fed into artificial enabled algorithms, and they could actually detect the cells abnormalities way ahead than it is actually detected by human. So that's another benefit of artificial intelligence enabled diagnostic and detection of early diseases, and we could incorporate this feature into a smart hospital. Yes, in this study, you could notice that using artificial intelligence could detect lung cancer and the pathology images analysis, and this is a research shared by researchers, and it could even detect some in certain cases before 6 months, or in certain cases even more than that, and we could actually start treatment far ahead. Okay, I was going through certain research papers, and they even have found that 99% accuracy in detecting breast uh, breast metastasis by AI model. So that's a benefit of using AI-enabled diagnostic systems. Okay, after sharing a lot of applications about AI enabled in smart hospitals, so let me now share the challenges we will be facing once we start implementing smart hospitals. First of all, we may face limited infrastructures. So there are a lot of limitations, like, for example, reliable internet connectivity issues, uh, an inadequate power supply and frequent outage that would actually hinder the implementation or utilization of infrastructure. Cost and affordability. Initially, you need to spend a lot of money to set up and automate, digitize, and digitalize the processes. So whether the affordability issues will be there or challenges, and maintenance expense also will be initially a bit high. Then ensuring affordability for patients and healthcare providers, digital literacy and training, like not everyone or every hospital will have a digital literate staff. So you need to spend some resources in training these staffs to successfully implement smart hospitals concept. Ensuring data privacy and security in the digital ecosystem. So that's another challenge which need to be addressed. And what would be the strategies? So one basic strategy, when I was going through a lot of successful case studies about smart hospitals implementation, you need to have public-private partnerships. So get buy in and complement each other, like public NGOs, governments, all need to come together. Then you will see the real benefits of implementing smart hospitals concept. Okay, just to get this fear away, a lot of people actually thinks AI will take over or machines will take over humans. No, there's no way. It may take maybe another 100 years. That also still, uh, I would not actually say that they will completely take over. So they can assist us, they can reduce our work and could enhance the quality of our decision making. So just sharing with you my contacts and my blog, and if you want to know more, you could visit, and there are a lot of information available on these sites. Yes, I would like to thank everybody for paying attention, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.